Hello guys, welcome back. So in this lecture, we are going to talk about how can you configure Git to work with PyCharm. And by the end of this lecture, you are going to have a clear understanding of the steps that you need to follow to enable Git with PyCharm. So let's get started. So I am here on my PyCharm IDE and I have this project open called PyCharm course. And this course does not have the version control enabled yet. Now what I mean by a version control enabling is this project does not have a Git repo created and initialized yet. So to enable that, if you are familiar with a Git command line, you can do it from the terminal as well from here. Okay. But I'll be using the inbuilt PyCharm functions or options that PyCharm provides us to enable this integration. So on the menu option, you'll see this option here, VCS, which stands for version control system. And over here, you'll see some options related to that. Now, since we don't have version control enabled, we are not seeing options like commit, push, and pull. So to see those options, we will have to enable version control integration from here. So I'll hit enable version control integration and it's asking me in a pop-up which version control system should I associate my project root with. So Git is by default selected. It supports Mercurial and Subversion. I'll go ahead with Git. You can see that it's also showing me an option or a message wherein it says version control settings can be configured in preferences and then going to version control. So you can do configurations there. I'll hit OK. Now the moment I hit OK, I saw some progress bar here for some processing and I saw this message over here. It says created Git repository in this directory. So this is a directory on my local machine. And here if I click on Git, you can see this option getting enabled here, Git. If I click on this, you see the Git repo is created. And I can see a master on the local machine. So this is how you can enable Git integration with PyCharm. It's pretty simple. You don't need to write any commands. You just need to go to VCS and enable version control integration and you have to choose Git. Now you can see over here we have this option over here, menu option. We had VCS over here, but now it's Git because we have enabled Git integration. So if you click on this, you can see all the operations and everything that you can do with Git. So this is how you can enable Git integration, guys, with PyCharm. So I hope you guys enjoyed this class and found it valuable. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.